Hello, it's the IT Guys 99 here, and welcome to this extra tutorial on our series on how to use an Android device. This episode we'll be looking at how to create a Google account. This is very useful, and it's often needed in your Android device for backing up and syncing your data and accessing the Google Play Store, where you can download your applications. So let's get started with how to create your Google account. Come across the settings, and we're going to scroll down until we see Accounts under the Personal tab. We're now going to add an account. We're going to choose a Google account, and it's going to check some information. We don't have a current Google account. If you do, you would add it to your phone here. We're going to come down to Create Account, and I'm going to say for myself. We're now going to be prompted to enter your first and last names. So fill that in here. We now need to confirm we're not a robot. We do this by getting a verification code. Select the country. Scroll down to select the country. I'm going to select the United Kingdom. Here we are. Now enter your mobile number and click Next to continue. Once you receive the text message with the verification code, enter that code here and then click Next. If you're unsure how to read that text message, go and watch our tutorial on how to do that. Now we need to enter some more information about ourselves. So, first we need to enter our birthday. Enter your information here. And also select your gender. And click Next. This is now how we choose our email address. Enter an email address you want. When you click Next, it will check if it's available. If it is, that will become your email address. If not, then you'll be prompted to choose a different one. Okay, I'm going to choose this. And somebody else already has that. So, I'm going to choose one of the options that they have available and click Next. We now need to choose a password. Enter that here, making it as secure as you can. Also make sure that you can remember it. Enter the password again to confirm that you've typed it correctly. And click Next. This is now options to sync your information on your device. So click Yes, I'm in. Now you've got Google's privacy terms and conditions. Scroll through and choose I agree. Here we go. And now our Google account has been created. Finally, click Next to finish off. It's going to check our information once more. And we now have the final option of backing up all of our information such as photos, contacts, etc. to Google Drive. Click Accept. Okay, and now we've returned home. To check that our account has been added, we can come here and come to Account. We can see that we have our Google account here with all of our information being synced. So you've now successfully created and added our Google account. That's all for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out the other episodes in this series where we show you how to use your Android phone. But for now, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and goodbye.